Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to both access and use free icons in PowerPoint. Now let's get right into it, shall we? Now we're going to title this presentation Darwin's Adventures. The reason I selected Darwin is because he's my first dog and he goes on a ton of adventures. Now, in order to insert free icons in PowerPoint, all you need to do is hover over, select Insert, scroll over to the icons, and what PowerPoint will do is it'll automatically generate hundreds of different icons that you can use to include into your presentation. Now with this particular example, I'm going to be actually searching dog to go with the theme of the presentation, and what PowerPoint will allow you to do is select multiple different icons at one time. Next, click Insert. So all you'll have to do next is click and move your icons to where you want them. This next step is very important. PowerPoint will actually let you change your icons to any color you want, so all you need to do is go into the Graphics Format tab and select Graphics Fill. In this example, I'll be coloring my icons white so they pop and stand out. Now that's it. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll be posting regular PowerPoint and other Microsoft application tips on a regular basis. Thanks for watching and see you next time.